to draw a funny face. But oh no! Something's missing! The hair! Welcome to Toys Tunes! If you haven't seen our last episode of Crazy Hairdresser, go check it out! Today we're drawing cartoons and making the wackiest hairstyles out of Play-Doh! Look at this guy! He looks totally shocked, like he just saw aliens! So, we're giving him an alien hairstyle! We take green Play-Doh, squish it, put it in the tool and squeeze out some noodles! 1, 2, 3, and more. Add even more green. And then, to make it colorful, you grab the pink Play-Doh and make pink noodles. Look at him now! He's not from this planet! Now, to make it all stay in place, we add a yellow bow. And 2 flowers, one on the left, one on the right. And the last step, 4 purple beads. Wow! Just look at him! He's a real alien now! Time to go back to the first guy. We draw his silly face again, but this time we're making a clown-style colorful hairstyle. First, red Play-Doh. Stretch it and stick it on. Ha ha ha, so funny! Then blue, knead it and add it on too. Next up, yellow, right in the middle. Everything looks wild and cheerful. Now we use our fingers to mix it all. Mix, mix, mix. Wow, look at that rainbow hair. What a silly guy. And now the third character, our disco dude. He's smiling and full of energy. He's funny even without hair. We take sparkly purple slime, wow, and add it on. And more. We're making a giant disco hairstyle. We add colorful slime balls to make it super crazy. Now we pat it all down. Tap, tap, tap. Wow, look at me. So colorful, so wacky. And those were today's crazy hairstyles from our crazy hairdresser. See you in the next episode, where we'll make even weirder and more fun characters. Check out more adventures right here on Toys Tunes.